Can you speak about the new B9 SQ5 diff inserts? What do they do? Are they worth the investment? I'd say they're worth the investment because they're very low cost items. The installation is not too bad.
It's a bit involved.
I think you gotta drop to the
head
rear.
Yeah, but it's something anyone could do at home, right?
with an extra jack.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a couple jacks and stuff like that. The advantage is the differential is mounted on these rubber bushings in the subframe assembly, and so when you apply power and when your engine produces power and torque, these bushings squish and load up. So instead of delivering that power directly to the tires, that first amount of power that you get instantaneously loads up the diff and squishes those bushings. So that not only wastes power, but it delays the application of power to the tires. So our inserts go in and fill these voids and essentially stiffen up the mounts. They don't do so much stiffening that you now feel a lot of NVH, but they do reduce that squish and that amount. And they're like $200 or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah. So for a couple $100 and maybe some beers with some buddies and an extra jack stand, you can you can enjoy the added benefit of that. So these diff inserts, subframe inserts, and motor and transmission inserts are very popular. It's one of our top selling product lines, and the feedback from customers is always great.